Selecting the right bone material by comparing it to the patient's existing bone quality and conditions is crucial when expecting the satisfactory result from the GBR. Defects may occur on surgical sites such as the anterior maxillary sinus and ridge, which will require bone graft materials that facilitate the process of forming new bone osteogenesis while maintaining the bone volume. With that said, here is the Osteom Implants xenograft A-Oss with phenomenal volume maintenance and osteogenesis. For bone graft materials, it is important to have a faster remodeling feature. Similar to the human bone, A-Oss particles have a cancellous pore structure. The structural property of A-Oss, when fully saturated with blood, significantly contributes to the process of new bone formation. The success of bone graft material must be verified with various clinic cases. A-Oss is designed to graft bone in a socket after the tooth extraction, and the treatment of peri-implant defects with guided bone regeneration. A-Oss can be applied to the sinus lift to place the implant in a maxillary sinus, and to augmenting and reconstruct of the alveolar bone. It can be used to treat and prevent various bone defects. A bone graft material must be easy to use in a variety of surgical situations. A-Oss collagen plug contains 10% of bovine type 1 collagen. It is specifically designed for post-extraction socket augmentation to maintain the volume and allows for better aesthetic and implant placement. The surgical can cut and reshape the plug to better fit the defected site. The A-Oss pen is a bone graft material delivered in a syringe-type container that allows the surgeon to hydrate the material with just one hand. And the syringe's inner diameter is available in two specifications, 5.4 and 3.5. This allows the surgeon to select a better suited syringe for each case. In summary, A-Oss forms new bone rapidly, which can be applied to any surgical site due to its similarity to the human bone. A-Oss is a perfect solution for both the surgeon and the patient. Try now!